What's up YouTube? Dave the Phone Guy back again, and today I have the Oppo W31 Lite, or also known as W11. So, you know what we're gonna do, right? We're gonna pop this box open, go through all of the contents, mic test, audio test, and maybe we'll actually compare it to the W31s. Sit back, relax, grab your popcorn, and let's have a little bit of fun. Blah! All right, guys, so let's get this box popped. As you can see, this has Bluetooth 5.0, codec AAC and SBC, 20 hours of battery life, IP55, and it should have some sort of touch controls on it. All right, let's see. Why are boxes so hard to get into? I mean, I just want it to go whoosh and open up with the sound effects. That would be pretty cool. All right, here we go. All right, the case right off the bat feels way better than the W31s. These felt cheap, they sound cheap, they feel cheap. Yeah, well, let's see what else is in the box, and we'll go back to the headset here. You get started guides, a few extra ear tip sizes, and our USB-A to C cable. So that's good, USB-C right off the bat, a major plus. Everything should pretty much come USB-C now. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you know I complain about that all the time. Let's see. Ooh, it's pretty nice. This one has an R on it for your right ear. This one has an L on it for your left. These look pretty nice. They're nice and compact. Let's see how they feel. Let's see if I get the right tips on from the factory. Feels okay. They feel nice. They're very light, which is a plus. Oppo W31 Light. And they're paired. That was pretty easy, so that's a plus. There's definitely passive noise cancellation because it's very difficult for me to hear my own voice right now, so I may be yelling a tad bit. But since the earbuds are in my ears, let's go ahead and listen to some tunes. And let's see what's up. These highs, oh, ultra crispy. Here it comes. Oh, satisfying. Single tap pauses, single tap plays, double tap skips, triple tap. So triple tap activates your voice assistant, single tap pause or play, double tap skips the track, triple tap activates voice assistant. The sound spectrum on the Oppo W31 Lite is pretty dope. I'm actually quite impressed. I didn't think they were gonna sound that good. What I'm gonna do real quick is pop in the W31s, kind of compare to see if there's any big difference. So there is no comparison. After listening to it for 30 seconds, I can already tell that the W31 Lights blow the W31s out of the water. The next step is let's do a quick mic test, see how they hold up there. But right now they're checking off all the right boxes. So, all right guys, this is the sound of my voice with the Oppo W31 Lights, also known as the Oppo W11s. How does my voice sound? This is the sound of my voice with the Oppo W31s with ambient noise running in the background. How do they sound? What do you guys think? Are they holding up? The audio portion held up pretty darn great. Let me know in the comments how the mic test holds up for you. All right, guys, a little head shake. Not going anywhere. Pop, pop. That's what I got today. What do you guys think? Do you like them? How do they look in my ears? I think they look pretty good. Oh, that's, what do you think? Pow, pow. I think they look pretty good. They feel pretty good. They're very comfortable. They're very light. I like how they sound. Hopefully they pass the mic test, because then these are some serious contenders. All right, guys, so that's it. We did audio test, which I think they sounded excellente. Mic test, I don't know, you tell me, because I haven't heard it yet. A head shake test, they are holding tight. They got that ninja grip. I like them. I like them. 28 bucks. That's what I paid for them on AliExpress. I'll put a link down in the description if you are looking for a pair of Bluetooth headsets. Why don't you check these guys out and help the channel while you're at it? Click on the link in the description. I'll get a little change for your purchase. Guys, you know this next part, right? All right, guys, so that's what I have for you today. If you like this video or I helped you in any way, smash that thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you get notified of my next video. Guys, I'll talk to you in the next one. Peace!